Digital supply chain management. 7 essential elements. Biz by T. Lee Bueller, October 23rd, 2023. Digital transformation is everywhere, and the supply chain sector is one area that the digital shift is revolutionizing at an astonishing rate. Today's digital supply chain management involves the merging of the traditional supply chain processes a company uses with advanced digital tools to achieve operational efficiency. To stay competitive in today's global market, companies should transition their traditional supply chains into digital supply chains. Traditional versus digital supply chains. Managers of a conventional supply chain spend a great deal of time and labor looking for possible issues or predicting the effects of issues. However, these control methods used in traditional supply chains are primarily based on human activity and are unreliable. By contrast, digital supply chains share up-to-date data in real time, creating a more effective supply chain strategy. That information allows companies to better anticipate issues and respond at a faster rate before a problem can escalate. Traditional supply chain. A traditional supply chain focuses on linear processes, which includes components like raw material procurement to final product delivery. This supply chain format involves distinct and consecutive stages. A conventional supply chain emphasizes optimizing each stage of the process for efficiency, but each stage is often isolated from the others. Information and data in this type of supply chain are often siloed, meaning that information might be manually collected and stored in different systems. These various systems cannot share real-time data, which makes analytics for traditional supply chains more challenging. While traditional supply chain systems may be configured to share data, it isn't in real time and the data is often delayed. Years ago, when I worked as an inventory manager for a large women's clothing company, I was always amazed at how the supply chain system caused 48-hour delays. We could accept shipments and inventory from warehouses, plug them into a store's inventory log, and sell an item, all before the warehouse system would update itself that items were gone. As a result, ordering from the warehouse was a nightmare for in-demand items. Also, a conventional supply chain tends to have a slower response time to market changes and disruptions, which is due to its linear nature and lack of real-time data. With limited visibility in a traditional supply chain, stakeholders may only be aware of their immediate stage in the process, and that leads to a lack of transparency across the entire supply chain. Digital supply chain. Digital supply chains involve a dynamically interconnected system, using technology to integrate the numerous stages of an effective digital supply chain and to ensure a digital transformation. The key feature of any digital supply chain is the flow of data between processes. Digital technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, cloud platforms, and the Internet of Things, IoT, create real-time data collection and analytics. This information is then shared across the digital supply chain, allowing for better informed and timely decision-making by supply chain managers and other organizational personnel. Overall, an effective digital supply chain ensures real-time data exchanges, a holistic view of the full process, and end-to-end efficiency. Using predictive analytics in a digital supply chain, company personnel can achieve a digital transformation and rapidly address any potential challenges or react to market dynamics and consumer demands. This rapid response creates more efficient demand planning and smarter logistics planning for companies and their supply chains. For organizations, advanced digital technologies create more transparent views of the entire supply chain process. Also, end-to-end transparency enhances trust and collaboration among stakeholders. The 7 essential elements of a digital supply chain. A digital supply chain is a supply chain network powered by enhanced digital technologies, using digital solutions to automate operations like procurement, production, and the distribution of goods. These supply chains involve vital components like warehouse processes, logistics processes, supplier performance, and cross functional teams use real time digital technology to enhance each segment of the supply chain. There are seven basic elements that make up sustainable digital supply chains: the Internet of Things, advanced analytics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, blockchain, integrated platforms, cybersecurity,